and welcome back to our digital class, students. So how are you? I hope you all are doing very well. And I am assistant teacher of Binayak Sikha Mandir and class teacher of class 2. So students, today we will learn class 2 volume 2 subject English lesson number 6, and the topic name is Are you a spider? So let's go to the topic.
Are you a spider? Rohan, Tarun and Lata are friends. They live in the same locality. While playing in the park, they always look for worms and bugs. That day, they wanted to see a spider. They were standing in Lata's balcony. Let's go and find a spider. We can look for it in our garden. So they all went to the garden. It was in the backyard of Lata's house. It was a nice big garden. But we don't know what a spider looks like. We don't know how big it is. How shall we know when we find one? The three friends searched all over the garden. Lata found something on the bush. Are you a spider? No, I'm a grasshopper. I am an insect, answered a big green grasshopper. I have 6 legs. A spider has 8 legs. Then Tarun found something under a dry leaf. Are you a spider? No, I am an ant. I am an insect, answered the tiny red ant. My body has 3 parts. A spider has 2 parts. Rohan found something on a rose plant. Are you a spider? No, I'm a butterfly. I am an insect, answered the pretty orange butterfly. I have wings. A spider doesn't have wings. The three friends came back to the balcony. How to find a spider? Now that we know how a spider looks like, I'm sure we can. Yes, I know that a spider has 8 legs. I also know that a spider has 2 body parts. I too know that a spider doesn't have wings. Just then, Lata saw something near the roof. Look up there! Rohan and Tarun looked up. In the corner of the roof, there was a big web. A shiny body was hanging there. It had 8 legs. It had 2 body parts. It had no wings. Hey, that's a spider! Shouted Lata with joy. I knew we would find a spider. The three friends were very happy to find a spider. In English sentences, a group of words tell us if something is happening now, or if it has happened earlier, or if it is about to happen. These group of words are called tenses. A tense shows the time of an action. Time can be split into 3 periods: the present, the past, and the future. Therefore, there are 3 main tenses. They are the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Here you will learn about the simple present tense and its next tense form, the present continuous tense. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is used in a sentence to state current facts or everyday actions. Read the sentences. Facts in the present. Rohan, Tarun and Lata are friends. They live in the same locality. Delhi is the capital of India. The sun rises in the east. The sky is blue. I am in class 2. 100 pice equals to 1 rupee. Habits in the present. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I drink milk in the morning. I play on Saturdays. We watch movies. I don't play video games. I go to the library. Jim is very punctual. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used in a sequence to indicate an action in progress. Examples: Rohan and Lata are playing in the park. Tarun and Rohan are looking for a spider. He is waiting for the bus. Now let us compare the two tenses side by side. Simple present, facts or habits. Present continuous, action in progress. They look for worms every day. They are looking for worms in the garden. I play tennis. I am playing tennis. They write exams. They are writing exams. She baths daily. She is bathing now. Raj works in a school. Raj is working in a school this week. I watch TV in the evening. I am watching TV now. I often walk to school. I am walking to school today. The film starts at 8. The film is starting now. He speaks in English. He is speaking in English. She reads comics sometimes. She is reading comics now. Sentences from the lesson aloud. Let's go and find a spider. We don't know what a spider looks like. I'm a grasshopper. Have you noticed that the underlined words are actually two words? They are the short forms of the two words, let and us, do and not, I and am, just like your nicknames. These short form words are called contractions. If can't is short form for cannot, what is the full form of don't? Is it donut? No, it is do not. A contraction has an apostrophe that takes the place of the missing letters. Here is an example using the words he and is. Remove the letter I and replace it with an apostrophe. Instead of two words, he is, we now have one word, his. This is called a contraction. Let's see how an apostrophe makes the change in a contraction. It's so simple. The apostrophe will appear in the place of the letter which is being omitted. It is, it's, I have, I've, are not, aren't, did not, didn't, would not, wouldn't, we will, we'll, and many more. Will not, won't, could not, couldn't. We are, does not, doesn't, had not, hadn't, has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, who will, who'll, he had, he'd, he will, he'll, he would, he'd, she has, she's, here is, here's, I will, I'll. I would. I'd. I had. Is not. Isn't. What is. What's. It has. It's. It will. It'll. Must not. Mustn't. You had. You'd. You will. You'll. You are. You're. You have. You have. You would. You'd. Should not. Shouldn't. That is. That's. There is. There's. They are. They are. They have. They have. They will. They'll. They would. They'd. They had. They had. Was not. Wasn't. Were not. Weren't.
So students, I hope you understood the topic, and your homework is read this about lesson again and again, and activity book page number 20 and 21, and workbook page number 16 to 19. Thank you so much for watching.